Hello all! Today I thought of making one of the Bengali prawn speciality called Daab-Chingri or prawns in tender coconut, but this is one of its kind. Let's jump right into the recipe. Leave your comments in the section below and do consider to subscribe to my channel. In very little water, boil one big onion for a couple of minutes and here is the outcome. To it, add about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, fresh pulp from 2 tender coconut. Now make a smooth paste out of this and keep it aside. In a pan, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter and to it 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once hot, add the cleaned and deveined prawns and sprinkle little salt. Stir fry until the prawns turn pinkish. Don't fry for too long else prawns will become hard. Take them out and keep it away. In the same pan, add 1 bay leaf. After few seconds, add the already made tender coconut paste. About half cup of milk. Stir the entire mixture. Make sure to fry until the raw smell of the onion disappear. It might take a little time. Time for salt to taste. Once it is ready, add the rest of the milk for the gravy. One quick stir. Then goes the fried prawns. Let the prawns immerse and soak itself in the tasty gravy. Finally, I add some chopped coriander leaves. This enhances the taste and definitely the look of the dish. One last mix and you're done. A unique way to serve is to put them in the same tender coconut like this. Just remember that since this dish uses tender coconut, it will have a mild sweet flavor. List of ingredients is also available in the description box below. Hope you like this recipe.